Get back here! Come on, Koopa Kid, let's get him!
Okay.
I'm really hungry though. We got you. Let's eat him, Koopa Kid. Ow! Oh! Oh, Koopa Kid, it hurts. Ow.
We should go do a fire. Oh no, it's all the snow.
Yeah.
We're gonna freeze to death.
Well, we can go to that fort that we made a few weeks ago. Come
Oh
on.
yeah. What will Dad think about us when we return to society?
I don't know. He thinks we're wild, probably. He might kick us out again.
Guess what? Judging by all the time seasons and the tree and all those marks, we've been here for a long time, and Dad probably came back from his date.
Yeah.
We're in trouble.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. Okay.
I'm sick.
You got the flu. Where did you spit?
It's my snot.
Yeah.
Achoo!
Stop it, Koopa Kid.
I'm
You're gonna get me
sorry.
sick. Anyways, let's go to bed. Yeah, stop! You're disgusting. You put your freaking
Fine.
mucus on me. I'm going to bed, Koopa Kid.
Me too. Good night.
Good night.
Tomorrow.
Oh my god! It's the moose!
Ah.
Okay, shh. I know what we can do. Take that! We gotta destroy his house. Come on. Yes, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
Woohoo! Let's go eat him.
He's angry.
Oh.
Oh, shoot.
I just wanted to be your friend. What's all this? Oh, hi Ben. Hi kids. Ouch. Get in the cart, kids.
Okay, that means we're going home.
No,
Oh.
we would have to chat with your dad about all this ruckus. Ben, you're coming too. Yay.
But Ben's evil. He tried killing us, and we were hungry, so we were trying to eat him.
No, he just wanted to be your friend.
Yeah, I wanted to be your friend.
Okay.